It is the FX Hunter here, and welcome to the weekly Forex forecast and the COT report for the 26th July. So let's have a look for some couple great setups which I have now under my radar. So let's start with this one. It's Aussie Jpy. So we are looking right now to the weekly, and the reason why I'm showing this time frame is because look where we are right now. So we are actually exactly in the middle level of the whole chart, right? So basically what happened is that price was dropping in this bigger channel, which is defined by these levels, right? So it's here, and from the bottom we have these three touches, right? So after this touch it was overshoot here, and in the short time in the small time frame it was in here 1 2 3, and here from the top another boom boom boom. And right now what actually happened is that we are breaking through this level. So how does it looks like on the small time frame is this. So we can see that this smaller, I mean it's still big time frame, right? This was a couple months. So we have now the breakthrough this channel. So the channel was broken, was retested, and the price is now in this level. So what basically is happening right now here is, I believe that the people are shorting in here because they can see the level, so they are shorting it, and the market, okay, giving them the drop. But what I think is that we will probably see the breakup, because if we look to the COT data, we can see that the Aussie is getting very bullish, and currently we can see that the longs positions on the Aussie has grown to the 41k, and we can see we are right now 50-50 exposure, and we have first time when we flipped to the positive. All right, it doesn't looks like very bullish, but if we look what happened in the past months, so we can see that from the last couple months we actually went from the 71% bearish to the bullish side, and it happened in this sharp move like that, right? So basically what I will be waiting for is probably I will be taking this long on this low of this channel, and if the price will make this break like this, then is a potential to move to the 79 like, and even higher, right? But it's like for the long-term analysis. So what I'm thinking where we are heading right now is to this top line of this channel, and we just break through this middle band, right? So I think that here is a big potential to take price very high. All right, so next one is Gbp Jpy. What was happening in this one? Okay, let's start on the weekly again. We can see price moving in this channel. So on the bottom it's these levels, right? So the channel looks very nice. On the top we have these two, and all right, this can be like this, or you know, probably we would have it like this, and I think we are heading up into these levels. So why do I think that is? Of course this big bullish volume, then this range, break up, retest, and right now these weekly candles, they looks like you know, rejections. But if we go lower time frames, we will see that here is this nice channel as well, and I think that I would like to buy this bottom of this channel. Of course it could go much higher, but I will be happy to take it to the next level because it's almost 300 pips. And if we check the COT data, let's go to the Gbp Jpy, and we can see that the bank's becoming very bullish with the longs on the pound, right? They have added some shorts, but they still holding some shorts. So we can see 43% to the long side, which start to looks pretty good. Minus 15k net positions. It's not very bullish. However, in the past we've been much more bullish, and if we look later to the GBP, we can see that it's getting into the side where it should move up. So I will be looking to enter the long on this Gbp Jpy to take it up to into this channel or these zones. Next one will be is Euro JPY. This one I like even more than Gbp Jpy, because again, look to the weekly. So what do we see here? We can see that the euro is right now in this blue one, which is the middle level of the whole chart. So basically most of the currencies are actually now doing something like a reset, you know. So that's what is happening right now. It's big reset, and it's makes sense because the economy is as well in the big reset, or maybe the recession, we will see. So what's going on here? We have this level, and price is going up, right? And we are penetrating this level next time, and we have this channel here on the bottom and here as well, right? And on the top we have these two, boom boom. And in the past we had actually this descending channel, which was broken right now. So if you look at it like this as well, here was this channel which was something like this, and the channel is being now broken, and I think that we could see break up. Why do I think that? Basically, let's go to the Euro JPY. You will see the euro is king now. Euro is super bullish. Look at it, 200,000 longs positions and shorts positions being closed, 72% to the long side, 125 net positions. It's huge. I mean, since that changed like this, it's getting very bullish, and the JPY, nothing extra, you know. So for me, it looks like we will probably see the break as well. What is most likely happening is that the people are trading this level, and they getting the, you know, they shorting it most likely. So what's probably happening here is this, that this is the stop loss zone, and it will be broken up and price can continue higher. So I will be looking to trade along on this one. Next one is NZD JPY. Very similar to this JPY pairs, right? So if you look at it from the bigger picture, we can see that all these pairs being in the big downtrends. Then we have this huge drop on the beginning of this year, then some accumulation, and right now I believe that we have the new trends starting here. So here as well we can see that we break through this long-term middle band of the level, and what we have here on the lower time frame. So if we go and look at it like this, so let's see that. So here, as I always like, so we have these touches on this level. So the traders trading the short, which is creating beautiful stop loss zone, right? Here is as well the beautiful stop loss zone from the bottom, because the price was ranging here. So probably those who entered it the break here, they have the stop loss here. And as well we have this nice channel, which I would like to trade if the price comes down here. I would be very happy to take this trade in here. If we check the COT data, let's go to the NZD JPY, and what do we see is that NZD is getting bullish. The longs were almost doubled in last 4 months. Shorts actually reduced, right? So we can still see, that they added some shorts in the last week, but we flipped to the positive side, and the JPY nothing much doing. Well, of course the JPY can surprise always, but all these confluences here giving me nice edge and probability that it will go up. Of course, do I know that the price will not drop like this? Of course I don't know. If I know it, that's why I have to use the stop loss always, right? So this is the probability game, and we always just trading the probability. We never know nothing on the 100%. This is the Kiwi USD. Well, I was pretty long time very bearish on this one because I was trying to add the fundamentals into my trading. Then I realized that after the 3 months, when it was actually only hurting me, it's actually bullshit because when I watch the COT, it's actually all the power because the banks are doing the fundamentals, and what they see is probably this, because interpreting the fundamentals is very difficult, and everyone actually can see something different. So again, here we have the channel, from the bottoms, which was even too much penetrated here, and it dropped down into very fast level. So here was this nice demand zone, right? Since then the price is moving up in this bigger time frame channel, and we penetrated this big long-term level as well. The price has braked through this channel. So what could probably happen right now is the question. So what I'm thinking is we will probably see, here is a couple options right now. So if the price drop down, and it will be what I would like to see. I would like to take a long trade into the next level, of course, in here. Then we can have the extensions in here as well. What could as well happen is that tonight on the opening, so the price will go up and then it will drop, which could happen as well, because what's that mean? That means that they're building this liquidity zone in here, and they want to attract people into the sell so they can smash them. So then it's possible to take a short. I would do that with some very small positions, but I would be better waiting for this break. So I will be waiting what is happening in here, and then I will be taking the long trades. There's possibility for the shorts, but I would not trade them. Aussie, very similar. So what do we see here as well? We had let's go weekly. So we had this big downtrend channel, right? So let's repeat the channel again. So it's here, here, and from the top here is of course these levels, right? And what's happened right now, we have this middle band of this channel. Where is the price trading about it, and we are trading right now above it, and we are as well trading above this blue level, which is on the weekly. We can see where is the pricing always reacting. So if we are trading right now above it, what could happen? Could the price go up? Well, we can guess, but here is something what can maybe help us. So let's check the COT data, and let's go to the Aussie. And what do we see? We can see that the banks has closed many shorts in the past weeks, and they bring it to the flip side. So they becoming positive on their bullishness, on their longs, while the price has broke up. So could they start to close their shorts and bring the price down? Of course they could. Of course they could break this trend line, and it will attract more people into the longs, and then could happen this. And this is what probably will happen. Of course, I will not be looking to trade it like this with one trade. It's very difficult to hold a trade like this. So what's most likely happening right now here? Again, we have this level, which probably many traders will trade as a short. The price will actually they most likely traded this one, right? So they traded this level. So right now it has been smashed through them. And we will see what's happened on the opening. Might the price will continue quickly up, reach up this level and this short-term channel, then drop down, and then I will be looking to enter the long again. And or if the price start to drop, I will be looking for the bullish setup and for the longs. Yes, because why? Bullshit fundamentals, I don't look at it anymore, and COT says everything. Banks are bullish, price action looks bullish, so we are looking for the bullish setup, right? Next one is Euro USD. This one has I have suffered a lot of on this pair, but maybe it was the mistake. I didn't look at the bigger picture. So what do we see here? Of course, this is a very long-term channel, right? So we can see how it was respected on these levels, right? Here. then the price moved a little bit higher, not even to, not exactly to the top, then it dropped down and exactly on the middle band of this one, and now it started moving up. So what we can expect is that the price will probably reach this level, right? So let's go look to the smaller time frame. On the smaller time frame, we have this. It's very difficult price action. I mean, you know, someone can see the things. You know, you can see this gap and handle and whatever. All right, of course, it's possible to trade like this. However, I trade a channel, so that's what I'm looking for. Let's check this. I think we don't have to check this because we know the euro is very, very bullish. As I said, it's bullish, and we can see 200k longs came up here in the last 3 months, more than 50k shorts being closed. You know, as well, the opposite currency, the dollar, is dropping, and we can see the dollar has flipped into the negative territory, and we can see that even there is a massive shorts right now, right? So I think at least this contract will be bearish. Well, this is very difficult to trade for me. I mean, I am more like a reversal trader, so for me, the entering entering the continuation of the uptrend is difficult. But what I will be looking for is in this level, which is the, as shown, this middle band of this long term of this chart. Probably here will be some correction, and maybe the price could, you know, retest this long-term channel and then continue up. So I will be looking for the correction, and then, you know, some break of the trend lines and the price action and continuation price up based on this bullishness of this market, which actually was here pretty quite some time. And but I didn't took the trades. I was still believing that something like, you know, this coronavirus and this blah blah blah, and I was thinking, you know, the dollar must be strong again because it's a safe haven currency, etc etc. Well, it's bullshit. Actually right now the safe haven looks like it's a euro. They made this deal, and the banks are bullish, right? Okay, so this is the pound. Let's go to the weekly again, and what do we see is that here is the channel again, right? Here was nicely touched. It was actually the historical low where the big volume has came into it, and now these levels are all penetrated up. And if you look at this channel like that, so I think that we are going to check this one, which is the top of this channel. So I think this is where we're going right now, and I will be looking for, because this level was nicely penetrated, I will be looking for to re-enter the long, and I would like to take these 200 pips. So I'm looking for the long. As well, we need to confirm with the COT, and what is here. We can see that the banks are becoming very bullish since the past 4 months. It still looks negative in here. I mean, we can still see that they having like you know, negative net positions, but we can see it's dropping. So the pound was penetrated by this Brexit, but right now I think we can see this break through these levels, and it's going up nicely. So I think the long will be very nice trade here. This is the Euro Kiwi, and this one I like a lot. I think we have a big potential of going up here. Again, this is this blue one. It's a long term middle band, middle level of the chart or whatever. This is what I see in here, and what do we have here? We had this again, this channel which was touched a couple times here on the bottom, and then once this happened and we retested this level again, it's breaking through this trend line, you know, retested above another level. So I think right now the retest of this level again could take us into this level, and this channel and this channel which is here. So I will be trading the long on this pair for sure. There is too many confluences which is happening, and if on the COT we already seen that the euro is very bullish. Of course the Kiwi is bullish as well, but if we compare it to 125k contracts again to 2000 contracts, I think we will see much bigger prices. And look at this, let's check this, you know, because if you look just the short time on the pair, you can see it's too high, you know, this was too much high, it should go down, right? But look at this from the bigger picture, and if you go to monthly, we are actually, look, so the pair was trading above, then it was trading below, and right now we break through this middle, through this part, and I think there is a lot of room to go even higher, right? So here could be, here could of course be something like this, you know, some channel like that, right? So we could might see a bigger move upside, but it's, you know, for two long-term predictions, anything can happen. And currently I will be looking for this 200 pips, and it's enough for me, right? So next one is the GBP CAT, and on the weekly we can see that the price is now moving in this one, in this middle band. And actually what happened here is that what happened? All right, so yes, we had this channel which was broken, and the price started to trade above this middle band. However, I actually don't like this setup. This is the one I was looking for, and here is the low volume, because that's why we have these blue candles, you know. So right, the pound is bullish, but the cat, you know, maybe this one I will skip. It's not enough strong for the what I want to see, but this one looks, I think, very good, because look, this is the GBP pound, GBP Aussie, and look, we are in this middle channel with where was the price, you know. Look at this bounce last time, right? Now it's going down through the free, it went through the free levels without the correction, and it came into this middle band, and we can see here was some nice volume traded in this accumulation phase. And look at this as well, right? So it's you know, ranging, boom, then drop down with the pin bar, and the volume started to grow. So I will be looking forward to the break of this trend line and then continuation up, right? But Aussie still can make some strength as well. Look at this, we can see this channel, right? So here is of course overshoot, but this bottom we have these nice levels here, so maybe could be good trade. This is the pound Kiwi, and it's very similar to the Aussie, right? So I will take it just from this weekly, and we can see as well here this channel which has respected these levels, right? So, and here is this bottom, boom, boom, and the price is trading in this middle band. We have some nice volume on this pin bar candle last week, so we could probably see in the next weeks the price to reach this level. And yeah, so this is it, my friends. This was my Forex weekly Forex forecast. Unfortunately, next week I will not be able to do the forecast because I have the 4 days training camp with the kickboxing. So the next week there will not be the forecast. Of course, I didn't do the forecast for the couple last weeks, but I promise I will start to do that as well. Not only because it helps you, but it as well helps me, because it keeps me focused to do and to prepare the plan, right? So currently we have 1, 2, 3, 4, like 10 setups, and some of them will definitely be good next week. So That's what I will be looking for. All right, and of course don't forget visit my webpage, because here you have the COT data for all the pairs, for all the crosses, which you can compare easily like this. You can as well look to the sentiment, where you can see the retail traders positions, and you can download the trading tool, and you can use it as well in the platform, your MT4, which is very cool. All right, so have a great start to the new trading week and a trade plan, and of course good luck. Bye bye.